So in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your phone number on Telegram. It's a quick process, so let's get started. So first, open the Telegram app on your phone, then log in if you haven't already. Then, go to the Settings tab by tapping on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. In the Settings menu, tap on your profile picture or name at the top to access your account information. Next, tap on your current phone number. Telegram will then prompt you to enter a new number. Type in your new number and then hit Next. Telegram will send a verification code to the new number. Then, enter the verification code to confirm the change. Once done, your phone number will be updated and your contacts will be notified. And that's it. You've successfully changed your phone number in Telegram.